From slippers to jewelry holders to sexy camisoles, we've got some crazy cool ways to repurpose your old bras here on Crafty Hackers. We hope you love these as much as we do. Before we get started, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Bag. Isn't this bag adorable? Here's how to make it. Cut off the straps so you're left with the cup only. Do the same with the other cup, and hot glue the two together. Glue a strand of ropey ribbon, like this, to the purse as a strap. This is already super cute. Fringe makes everything better. Glue some fringe to your bag to make it shimmy and shake when you walk. Isn't this flower lace pretty? Time to bedazzle this bag with some rhinestones. Put your necessities inside and strut your bag around town. Studded bra. We took this bra from blah to boom. Check it out. On an old black bra, fasten some gold studs along the border. Then pepper the studs throughout the cups. That's really all there is to it. Total upgrade. Fringe bra. We said it before and we'll say it again. Fringe makes everything better. Got a plain black strapless bra? Let's give it a makeover. Glue some fringe to the center front along the top. Add another layer that goes all the way across the bra. And add one more layer. Glue a cute little flower on the side for a finishing touch. Now it's a fringe top. We love how it shimmies. Bracelet. Snip off these old bras and get ready to snazz them up. Then cut the fastener from the back of the bra, pull off the strap adjuster, and measure the strap to your wrist. Cut 2 straps to the size of your wrist. Then glue the ends to the bra fastener. This bead ribbon sticks on super easy. Stick it to the straps and try on your new bracelet. Gorgeous, right? Choker. For this hack, unhook the strap of your old bra. The removable straps have a built-in hook and loop that are perfect for a choker. Sew on some fabric roses and try it on. Fabulous choker for the win. Clutch. Isn't this bag amazing? Here's how we did it. Bye-bye old bra. We snipped the straps off so we were left with just the cups. Bend one cup inside out and sew the cups together at the wire. Then sew a zipper to the top of the cups. Next, get your hands on a few different colors of glitter foam sheet. Cut these fun shapes out and glue them onto your new clutch. Choose whichever pattern you like and keep gluing until the whole thing is covered. Next, glue some red and white strands of pearls to the strip of fabric to embellish your bag with a cute wrist strap. Fold and glue the strip together. Then glue the strap to the corner of your clutch. Cover the strap with more decorative pieces. Now you've got a one-of-a-kind clutch. Slippers. First, trace out a slipper onto a piece of cardboard. Then trace that template onto a piece of felt fabric. Flip over your template and mark for the other side. Hot glue the felt to the cardboard. And glue the felt to the bottom too. Glue a ribbon around the sole of the slipper to add a cute factor. Don't forget to make one for the other foot. Now, take apart that old bra and pull out the foam cup insert. Glue the felt fabric to the insert and trim away any excess fabric. Then glue it to the sole of the slipper. Spruce it up with some pretty ribbon and maybe some decorative flowers. Cute and cozy! Jewelry holder. Grab the lid of an old shoebox. Then snip the straps off your bra. Use straps of different colors and sizes. Next, glue the ends of the straps to the inside of the box lid. 3 should do it. Now you've got a place to hang your earrings and other accessories. Pretty smart, huh? Add some decorative paper to the inside of the lid for an additional pop of color and texture. Lacy bra. Got a plain white bra? Let's jazz it up a bit. Cut some lace flowers loose and glue them to the cups of your boring old bra. Start at the strap and work your way down and over the cup. Cover the underwire too. Isn't this look fabulous? Ruffle bra. We're gonna turn this bra into a fancy camisole. Check it out. Glue some ruffle lace to your red bra. Start at the top and keep adding rows of ruffles onto the cup until the whole thing is covered. When it's done, it will look like this. Big improvement, don't you think? Baby sponge. Pull the padded inserts out of your bra. Let's go, little pads. Now, sew the 2 pads together. Measure 2 pieces of terry cloth fabric to fit the pads. Sew them together. Once you've got your little terry cloth pouch, put the pad inside. Then sew the whole thing closed. Add a strap to the back as a little handle. Now you've got a soft sponge for your face. So luxurious! Candle. Cut the lace from the cup of your bra. And get ready to repurpose it. Take a plain votive candle and wrap the lace around it. Glue it on and enjoy. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.